I am joined now with the head of healthcare and life sciences for capital markets here at the NYSE, Johanna Grossman. Good morning, Johanna.
Good morning, Trinity. How are you?
I'm good, and you know, all of the team is watching near and far as they tune into our show. Would you like to tell them anything?
Yes, of course. Well, first, felicitaciones a Auna. Felicidades a todos los empleados de Auna. Bienvenidos hoy a la Bolsa de Valores de Nueva York.
And now let's talk about Auna being here today and the significance behind joining the NYSE community.
Well, today is a day for celebration first and foremost. It's really a testament to all the hard work that has gone in from everyone around the world, especially at Auna, to get to this moment. And it really kind of underscores how far they've come in transforming healthcare in Latin America by providing integrated offerings in Mexico, Peru, and Colombia.
And you know, let's talk more about that. Like you said, they're in Mexico, Peru, and Colombia, but we're actually getting images right now of them signing the wall. So that's what we're seeing right now on the screen. But let's talk about how the NYSE platform helps companies not only in the healthcare sector, but internationally.
Yeah, so by joining the New York Stock Exchange, companies are joining the largest exchange in the world, and that comes with a lot of benefits, specifically when it comes to visibility. So international companies coming to the U.S. can take advantage of a lot of those things. So, for example, the content franchises that we have, one of which is Taking Stock with Trinity Chavez Yu, as well as the New York Stock Exchange Floor Talk with Judy Shaw. So companies from international can come and be on a platform, a global stage, talking about some of their key milestones, about their company, etc. But not only that, companies can also come to the New York Stock Exchange to celebrate those key milestones, also host their investor days, their board meetings, etc. here at the New York Stock Exchange.
And let's talk more about how the exchange is investing in the healthcare sector, and if you can give like more specific examples of that.
Sure. So we are nothing without our companies. And in healthcare, we have an unmatched global community of pharma companies, of services companies like Auna, of hospital systems, of medical device companies, of payer companies, etc. And like I said, we're nothing without the community. So we're really invested in that community and making sure that we're bringing that community together, making key introductions for them, because you never know when that next partner is going to come. And we do that by events. So events is a great example of how we bring these
I'm sorry to cut you off. That's the first trade bell. We're seeing the executive team right now. Okay, so that's what's happening right now. The executive team right there is ringing the first trade bell. And you know, ringing the opening bell is very significant, but ringing the first trade bell only happens one time. In this case, it happened a couple times.
Yeah, no, the first trade bell is such a special moment for a company. It really signifies the first time that stock is actively trading. Of course, Auna did their IPO a couple of weeks back, but you know, it is such a memorable and such a special moment for companies.
And did you want to go back to your point about the specific examples, how the NYSE is investing in the healthcare sector?
Yes, thank you for bringing me back to that point on events. So yeah, we do about 2,500 events a year. In healthcare specifically, we just did our CEO Digital Health Summit in collaboration with Rock Health. Upcoming on May 1st, we're doing our Women's Health Investor Summit, where we're inviting communities of the investors, as well as community of C-suite executives of companies in the women's health space to come together. Over the summer, we're going to be doing our AI in biology or bio event, and many more coming down the pipeline as well. So again, these are opportunities to come for our listed companies to come back and make key connections that will be helpful for them in the future.
It's all about making those key connections. Well, thank you so much, Johanna, for joining me.
Thank you, Trinity. I'm always happy to be here. And again, felicidades a Una.